Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can zoom in and out in CapCut for PC. So here I've already imported a video, and if you want to zoom in and out, so for example, I'm gonna go to the beginning of the video, and then you can just go to video and basic, and here you need to add a keyframe at the position and size here. So just click on this, and then you can just move forward. So pause on the part that you want to zoom in and add another keyframe in here, and then you can just go to scale to adjust, and then adjust the position so that it doesn't cut the video like this, and then the video will go like this. And then if you want to go back, you can just move forward again. For example, I want to zoom out again, and here I'm gonna pause and add another keyframe, and in here I'm going to adjust it like this, and then I'm going to adjust the positions so the video will go zoom in like this, and then after that it will zoom out. Okay, so that's all for me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.